Okay, I'm down at the Missouri River, as you can see, which makes it really interesting, is you can walk underneath this train bridge. That's what I'm going to do right now. So, would be my second take trying to do this, because the first time I did it, somebody came by and like, son of a biscuit. Anyway. Try to walk underneath the bridge for the fun of it. I would love to be underneath here when a train comes by. Wow, look at that. Some of the graffiti. I remember walking down here many years ago. None of this was here. You can see it looks like someone's metal thing right there. Some trash.